Okay, now this time, we're gonna watch my family grub down some food. This is the Hambrick's Backyard Cookout. Okay, this is some scary stuff, so I'm warning you. All right, first we got some little pieces of bread with some mustard on it. Look at her chew it. Get it, munch it, get it down, girl. All right. And then she's on a diet, can't you tell? And then over here, we got her boyfriend. What has he got on his plate? He's got a piece of pork chop, and he's just up there chewing it, looking at me like I'm crazy. And then over here, we got this big old thing already almost done with his stuff, and he's on a diet too. Look at, he's like 25 years old. See how small he is? I'm bigger than him. I mean, look at that, and then look at that. I mean, you see what I'm talking about? All right, now, this thing, tonight, for her special meal, we've got some kibbles and bits, water, her little condo, and then her, oh, by the way, she might be pregnant. I'll film the babies while they're coming out. That'll be something. See that? See that? And now you want to see the best place of all, where everybody in this place loves this, all right? It's still a little hot, so be careful. Look at that smoke. Look at it. This is where the stuff that was right here ended up right in their stomachs. And soon it's going to end up right here in the sewer. You see that? That's the sewer. It's going to end up right there. Now, what else? Oh yeah, this is what we used to make it. Charcoal lighter. And whatever that is. Now, let's just get one last look at this. I'm tripping now, falling everywhere. Look at him grubbing that down. Y'all see, look at her. She's got to get the last bit, the bone. The bone. I mean, look down there. Okay, I'm warning you guys. 638-4418. Call that number because I might be dead in a minute, okay? Look, he's just letting his stuff hang out. He's done. He's done. He feels good. He's still over there trying to get it all down. He don't got that big of a mouth. He's never had a girl before. Until now, that's her. Oh, you got to get this purple bike over here. Guess who the owner of this gay thing is? Yours truly. All right, we're done. I'll see you next time. I'll see you later.